This 72-year-old Tibetan monk reads text smaller than this period, from 3 feet away. No glasses, no surgery, no eye drops. He's done intricate calligraphy for 50 years with letters the size of ants. While 93% of Americans over 65 need reading glasses just to see their phone. How? Most people think vision decline is genetic, inevitable, just aging. That's backwards. The real culprit isn't age. It's something called ciliary muscle atrophy. Your eye has tiny muscles that adjust your lens. Use them or lose them. And glasses make you lose them faster. At minute 9, I'll show you the one eye habit that's destroying your vision right now. At minute 11, why reading glasses create permanent dependency. And by minute 13, you'll know the monk technique optometrists never mention. It starts with understanding what's actually happening inside your eye. That 72-year-old monk with perfect vision? His name is Tenzin. He lives at Rongbuk Monastery at 16,000 feet. Every morning before dawn, he sits on a stone ledge facing Mount Everest. The air is thin, cold bites through everything. But he does one thing for 8 minutes that changes everything. He looks at the horizon, then at his thumb, back and forth, 50 times. He's done this for 47 years. Here's what happens. Your eye lens needs to change shape constantly. Near objects require a fat lens. Far objects need a thin lens. The ciliary muscle controls this. When you're young, this muscle is strong. It flexes thousands of times daily. But modern life ruins this. Your eye works like a camera with autofocus. The ciliary muscle is the motor that adjusts the lens. When you stare at a screen all day, the muscle locks in one position. It's like holding your arm bent for 8 hours. Eventually, that arm can't straighten anymore. Same thing happens to your ciliary muscle. We spend 11 hours daily looking at screens 18 inches from our face. The muscle stays contracted, frozen. After 10 years of this, it can't relax anymore. That's when you need reading glasses. Not because you're old, because you trained your eye muscle to stay locked. Monks do the opposite. They force the muscle to flex constantly. The mistake beginners make? They rush. They switch focus in half a second. That doesn't work the muscle. You need 5 full seconds on each target. Lock your focus. Make the muscle hold it. Then switch. That's the training. From Tier 1 alone, you'll notice one thing within 10 minutes. Text at arm's length gets slightly clearer. Not perfect, but clearer. The blur at the edge of your vision tightens up. That's the muscle waking up after years of sleep. But Tier 1 fails when you go back to your screen for 8 hours. The muscle contracts again. You lose the progress. That's where Tier 2 comes in. At Tashilhunpo Monastery in southern Tibet, monks practice advanced calligraphy in winter. The room has one window, dim light. They write for 4 hours straight, letters smaller than grains of rice. How do they do it without eye strain? They use what they call the darkness protocol. Every 20 minutes they close their eyes, cover them with their palms, sit in complete darkness for 60 seconds. This isn't rest, it's active recovery for the retina. Your retina contains photoreceptors, rods and cones. They convert light into electrical signals. But constant light exposure depletes their fuel, a molecule called rhodopsin. In darkness, rhodopsin regenerates, fast. Within 60 seconds in complete darkness, your retina recharges. Colors look brighter when you open your eyes. Think of your retina like a phone battery. Keep it at 100% brightness all day, it drains fast. Give it darkness every 20 minutes, it stays charged. We never give our eyes darkness during the day. We go from screen to overhead lights. The photoreceptors run on empty. Here's the test. Close your eyes right now. Cup your palms over them. Block all light. Wait 60 seconds. When you open them, colors should look more vivid. Text should be sharper. If nothing changes, your retina is severely depleted. Tier 2 builds on Tier 1. Morning horizon reset wakes up the ciliary muscle. Darkness protocol keeps the retina charged throughout the day. You combine them. 3-minute horizon reset in the morning. Then, every 20 minutes when reading or on screens, 60-second darkness break. Cup your eyes, block the light. Let the photoreceptors regenerate. The monastery version? Monks don't have screens, but they have tiny script and dim candlelight. Same stress on the eyes. They do darkness protocol every 20 minutes while copying texts. They've done this for 1,000 years, before we invented reading glasses. Do you remember the test at minute 3 when you switched between thumb and wall? That was testing your ciliary muscle. This darkness test is checking your retinal health. 2 different systems, both matter. The mistake most people make at tier 2? They do the darkness break but keep the lights on. You need complete darkness. Cup your palms, block every photon. Even dim light keeps the rhodopsin from regenerating. It has to be pitch black. From tier 1 and 2 together, you'll notice something by tomorrow morning. When you wake up and look across the room, objects are sharper. The blur is reduced, not gone, but better. That's both systems working. The muscle flexed, the retina charged. But here's what they don't tell you about reading glasses. The reading glass industry is worth $34 billion. Every year, 150 million Americans buy reading glasses. Most start wearing them in their mid-40s. By 50, they can't read without them. Why? Because reading glasses do the work your ciliary muscle should do. When you put on plus 1.50 readers, the lens magnifies text. Your ciliary muscle doesn't need to contract anymore. The glass does it. So the muscle atrophies faster. Within 6 months, you need stronger glasses. Plus 2.00, then plus 2.50. It's a dependency loop. Here's the test they don't want you to do. Take off your reading glasses right now. Hold this text at arm's length. Can you read it? Probably not. Now do 20 reps of tier 1. Thumb to horizon, switch every 5 seconds. 3 minutes total. Now try reading again. It's slightly better, not perfect, but better. That's your muscle waking up. The glasses kept it asleep. The full tier 3 system combines everything. Morning horizon reset. Darkness protocol every 20 minutes. Plus one final element, the peripheral expansion. Sit facing forward. Without moving your head, look as far right as you can with just your eyes. Hold 5 seconds. Now, as far left as you can. Hold 5 seconds. Up, down, diagonal corners. 8 directions total, 5 seconds each. This works the extraocular muscles, the 6 muscles that move your eyeball. Most people only use their eye muscles in a narrow range, looking at screens, reading, always straight ahead. The peripheral muscles atrophy. Monks at 16,000 feet scan the horizon constantly, watching for weather, animals, landslides. Their eye muscles stay strong in all directions. Step 1. Morning horizon reset. 20 reps, 3 minutes. Wakes up ciliary muscle. Step 2. Darkness protocol. Every 20 minutes during screen time, 60 seconds. Recharges retina. Step 3. Peripheral expansion. Once at lunch, once before bed. 8 directions, 5 seconds each. Strengthens extraocular muscles. Step 4. Maintenance. Reduce screen time by 20%. The less you lock your eyes on close objects, the faster you heal. Total time? 10 minutes daily, 3 minutes morning, 6 minutes in darkness breaks throughout the day, 1 minute for peripheral work. Here's what changes. In 10 minutes today, text gets clearer. Slightly. Not magic, just measurable. Tomorrow morning, the blur at distance reduces. 15 to 20 feet away, objects sharpen up. In 3 days, you'll catch yourself reading something without glasses that you needed glasses for last week. In 7 days, your prescription feels too strong. The plus 2.00 readers feel like plus 2.50. That's because your muscle regained 10% of its strength. The glasses are now overcorrecting. In 30 days, you can read text at arm's length that was blurry before. Not tiny print, but normal text, phone screens, menus. 3 warnings. If you feel sharp pain behind your eyes during horizon reset, stop immediately. You're forcing too hard. Reduce the reps to 10 instead of 20. If you get headaches during darkness protocol, you're pressing too hard on your eyes. Light touch. Just block the light. Don't compress the eyeball. Never do peripheral expansion while driving. Your head has to stay still. Only eyes move. Remember at minute 3 when I said most people think vision loss is genetic? The modern trap is convincing you that glasses are the only solution. They're not. They're a crutch that makes the muscle weaker. I mentioned the secret monks don't teach outsiders. Here it is. The twilight practice. At dawn and dusk, when light is dim but not dark, monks do close detail work without artificial light, copying texts, repairing cloth. This trains the eyes to work in low light. It forces the rods in your retina to activate. Rods are for night vision. Most people never use them. Artificial light keeps them dormant. You don't need to copy texts. Just read a book by a window at sunset. No lamps. Let your eyes adjust to the fading light. 20 minutes. This activates rod cells and trains them. Within 2 weeks, your night vision improves. You can see in dim light that used to feel too dark. That's the rod cells waking up. The complete transformation from all 3 tiers plus the twilight practice? Your eyes start working like they did at 30. The ciliary muscle flexes smoothly. The retina stays charged. The extraocular muscles move your eyes in all directions without strain. You can read normal text at arm's length, not tiny print, but emails, books, menus, everything you needed readers for. Here's the rule you can remember forever. If you don't use the muscle, it dies. Glasses don't use the muscle. Monk protocols do. Let's recap the complete system. Tier 1, morning horizon reset. 20 reps of thumb to horizon, 3 minutes. This wakes up your ciliary muscle after 8 hours of sleep. It prepares your eyes for the day. Tier 2, darkness protocol. Every 20 minutes during screen work, 60 seconds. Cup your palms over closed eyes. Complete darkness. This recharges your photoreceptors so they don't run on empty. Tier 3, peripheral expansion. Once midday, once evening. 8 directions, 5 seconds each. This strengthens the muscles that move your eyeball. Timeline. Today in 10 minutes, slight improvement in text clarity. Tomorrow morning, distance blur reduces. Week 1, you'll catch yourself reading without glasses. Week 2, your current prescription feels too strong. Month 1, normal text at arm's length becomes readable without assistance. Here's the contrast. Modern approach, reading glasses. Plus 1.50 at age 45. Plus 2.00 by 48. Plus 2.50 by 52. The ciliary muscle atrophies because the glass does its job. Monk approach, daily muscle training. Horizon reset, darkness breaks, peripheral work. The ciliary muscle stays active, flexible, strong. At 70, they read tiny script without glasses, not because of genetics, because they never stopped using the muscle. The difference? We hand the work to technology. They keep doing the work themselves. Simple beats complex. The truth? Your eyes are trainable at any age. The ciliary muscle can regrow strength. The retina can recharge. The extraocular muscles can rebuild, but only if you use them. Glasses keep them dormant. This system wakes them up. Here's what to do in the next hour. Find a window. Do the horizon reset test from minute 3. Thumb to horizon, 5 seconds each. Just 5 reps to start. Notice if text gets clearer after. That's proof the system works. Tonight before bed, do one 60-second darkness protocol. Complete darkness. Cup your palms. Tomorrow morning, do the full 20 reps of horizon reset. That's your foundation. This week, your goal is simple. 3 minutes every morning. 60 seconds of darkness every hour you're on screens. 8 directions of peripheral expansion once daily. Test your vision Friday. Text at arm's length. Compare it to today. One final warning. Don't throw away your glasses yet. You'll need them for driving, safety tasks. But start reducing their use for reading, phones, close work. Let your eyes do the job they were designed for. If you want more complete monk systems that actually work in modern life, subscribe to Western Monk. Drop your age in the comments if you're over 50 and still trying to avoid reading glasses. And send this to someone who complains they can't read their phone anymore. Remember that 72-year-old monk reading ant-sized calligraphy. Now you know his secret. Not genetics, not luck. Just 8 minutes daily training the muscles everyone else lets die. The same muscles you just woke up at minute 3. Your eyes were built to work for 100 years. Use them or lose them.